Somewhere between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m., Colombians get together to take las onces. Tomar las onces. Tomar las onces is simply a term that is used to refer to the evening time to have a snack. Generally, it may be at a coffee shop, at a bakery, or even at someone's house. You may hear phrases like, te invito a tomar las onces. I invite you to take onces with me. Or, uy, este frío está como para tomarnos unas onces. Yikes! This cold weather is perfect for us to take the onces. So why do we call it las onces? Isn't the word once 11? Yes, you are absolutely correct. Well, there's a story that goes back to the 20th century, and you will be really surprised when you read about it. I want to invite you to visit my travel blog so you can learn more about where the word onces came from. Tomar las onces, or to take the onces, is a very special time for Colombians, because they not only get to enjoy delicious food, but it's also a great time to spend with family and friends. So what do Colombians have for las onces? We are having masato, which is a traditional drink made out of...
It's from rice.
And then we have mantecada, which they recommended it to go along with the masato. We have tintos, which are a yummy, delicious, traditional Colombian coffee. Right? And you've already had it too. And then we have leche asada, which we're gonna try. And the little one is having avena, which he absolutely loves avena. So we are going to go ahead and enjoy this.
Adios.